cats guard Snoopy's robot boat. This is a first rough cut of unedited video and pictures. One of the cats, Tody, is under instructions on the use of firearms by Bentley, and there is a glimpse of testing of the firearm a few years ago. It's years since I did these. Now, you have to come down here to see it properly. You see that tin can down the end there? Yeah. Right. Right, ready? I'm going to shoot now. Ooh. Right. Okay, June, bring it up to show us. Right, so we go. Entry wound there. Exit there.
There's a trick.
Hey?
There's a trick.
No, of course not.
I know
that's it. It must be true.
I know your trick.
Yeah, it's a hard life looking after Samantha's car, isn't it? Yeah, that's it. Yeah, well, somebody's got to do it. Yeah, it's a hard life minding property, isn't it? You can delegate some of the work, like guarding Snoopy's robot boat. That's what you're up to, isn't it, Tody? That's right, Bentley. Of course, people think that that's an owl box up there, but it's not. It's a sentry post. You can't quite make out all the searchlights and other apparatus up there, but Tody knows how to operate it all. And so does Bentley. What's this? You trying out some unarmed combat, you two? Come on, Tody. Right, Tody.